right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now.
Well, I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the partying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time when you fade to the blackness. And when you staring at that phone in your lap, and you hoping other people never call you back. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon after you fold. And when your plans unravel in the land, but you wish for if you had on jet. Airplane, sorry I'm late. Along my way, that day, if I don't make that, I miss my life. I'll be right back at it by the end of the night.
Airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars.
Shooting stars.
I could really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now.
Can we pretend?
Pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now.
Well, somebody take me back to the day before this was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my plate. Back when I was trying to get into the subway, and back when I was rapping for the hell of it. Nowadays we rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing that if we can make some wishes out of airplanes, maybe I go back to the days back when ain't nobody listen to my mixtape. Right before they was comparing me to Andre, and right before I tried to cover up my slack. And this is for y'all, what's up by the rate? So can I hear the rich, say in the politics, and get back to the music that started this shit. So here I stand, then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes.